Yo! Welcome back to another episode of Bobby's World. It's your boy Bobby. It's January 22nd, 2020. And man, we got some cooking to do this year. So let's get right to it. This episode is going to be all about how to cook the Nike SBs this year. We got some hot shit coming out. You got the Travis Scotts. We just passed the Ray Guns. Tons of other styles and collaborations, all kinds of shit coming out. I would say the SBs as well as the Air Force Ones are probably going to be the hottest shoes this year. So definitely check out this video. We're going to get some good tips and tricks on how to make sure you cook the SBs. Whether it's, again, the hyped up Travis Scotts or even just little lunch money shoes. So I do have a couple unboxings I want to do. I had a few more pairs, but I had to ship them out. I'm actually missing a pair. But whatever, we're going to go over these. And then we're going to jump into how to cook Nike SBs in 2020. So stay right there. Stay tuned. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button down below. And any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'm always in there chatting with my people. So that's it. And let's get right into it, baby. Let's go. Welcome back to our video about how to cook Nike SBs in 2020. We are going to jump right into that, but first and foremost, I do want to cover some unboxings here. These are some SBs that I've picked up so far this year. They all need to be shipped out. I had some other ones I already shipped out, as well as a pair of the infrareds that has gone missing. So I got to find that, and I do want to show you guys those because those are pretty sweet. And that is also my hint for my tip or trick on how to cook SBs in 2020. Again, if you missed it, it was the SB infrareds. So just think about that, the Nike SB infrareds. But first and foremost, let's do these unboxings. So I do have 3 different pairs of Nike SBs here. These were all obtained from the same place. 2 of them were this year, 1 of them was late last year, so we'll get right into that. So first and foremost, I do want to show you guys these bad boys. Let's see if you can see that. Not sure if you can see that, but if you can, either way, these are the Benjis out of Amsterdam. Benji is an Amsterdam skate shop, and they have been working with Nike to create these, which are actually pretty sweet. I like them. Honestly, resale on them kind of fell off. These I was able to get for a pretty good price. They were actually half off, which was cool. I like them. I like the style. I like the look. I like what they've done with the design. They've got rid of the Nike swoosh, and then they embedded it, made it part of the fabric here. If you look close, it's little Nike swooshes all over it. Fat tongue, cool inside, you see that? So all the way around, I dig these shoes, so I wanted to show you guys these. This is a pair of SBs I got, size 5.5. So I think retail was $100. Resale was upwards of almost 200 at first. Again, in this video, if you listen to my tips and tricks on how to cook these, I do want to go over on how to make lunch money on these, and the best way, the way to make the most profit, you know, to make sure that you have these and you sell them when they're selling for 150, 160, 180 resale when you bought them for 95, 100 bucks. So that's the Benjis. Next up is, I think, yeah, we'll show you guys these. These are the Paul Rodriguez. If you are a skateboarder, you probably know who Paul Rodriguez is. He is a Mexican-American skateboarder. He is also an avid boxing fan. So this is the SB High. You see the Mexican coloring. I don't know. I think the SB High is kind of weird, but either way, very nice shoe. Actually, I was impressed when I first opened it. You see they have this kind of little tag on there, if you can see that. They do say that these swooshes are made with the same leather as boxing gloves. And really that's it. Just a really nice shoe. Again, this thing was retail was 125 because it's a high, and then resale I think I sold for like 170. So again, just a little lunch money, man. If you can grab these and make a couple bucks on each pair, get a couple pairs, whatever it is, you know, it's keeping you alive, it's paying for the cook group, whatever it is. So that's that. And then last but not least is one I picked up today, which actually isn't out until tomorrow. What was this called? Truck It. This is one of two styles of Truck It. They are going to have a SB High version that's going to be black. This is all suede here. Very nice Nike swoosh. Again, you get the fat tongue, cool inside. Zoom Air. I don't know if you can see that. Zoom Air. Made in Vietnam. Another style of SB. Again, $100, resold for $140, $150, so maybe $20, $30 profit after fees and everything. And it's lunch money, man. I bought these, sold them right away, and had lunch. So that's that, man. These are the SBs. Again, there's so many more out this year. We just missed the Ray Guns, the Animal Pack or Safari Pack, which was in Australia, I believe. We got the Travis Scotts coming up. I do have the pair of the Infrareds, which I wanted to show you, which are orange label. And that's it, man. So definitely get on the SBs. Even if they're chinky ones, like this shit. These are all chinky, but that's 20, 30, 40, I missed $120 in profit sitting here. Took me maybe 30, 40 minutes to cop. No rush, no proxies, no nothing. So we're going to jump right into that. Stay tuned, and we're going to cover how to cook SBs in 2020, baby. Let's do it. Okay, the time has come. How to cook Nike SBs in 2020. This is for any pair. You got to do this. Shout out to my boy Arab305 for the hookup on this. Where to start with this? Really, for me, as you guys probably know, and you're gonna learn throughout my videos, I'm a computer guy. I do the bots. I do the developing, the nerd thing, the Discord cook groups. That's me. I sit behind a computer screen, and that's how I cook. My boy Arab told me, hey, get your ass up, get out from behind a computer screen. Get your ass down to your local skateboarding shop. These places get these shoes. Some of them backdoor them, some of them don't, but they get them. They get them in stacks of 25, they get them in stacks of 50, and they get them all the time. They usually do first come, first serve, raffles, whatever it is. This is going to be your easiest chance, especially if you're not in a very large metropolitan area. For me, I'm north of Miami, so my area's somewhat populated but not bad. My dog Arab put me on to a local skate shop here. Shout out to my boys over at Postmodern. They've been great, and through the last 2 months or so, I've been able to get in there, cop some nice pairs, get that lunch money, get in good with the employees, the owners. They recognize me, I recognize them, things like that. So tip and trick number one, if you want to cook these, get to your local skateboarding shop, get in good with them. On top of that, if you want to make the most money, like I said, a lot of these places, they drop them first come, first serve. So for example, I think on the bottom two of these, the day they came out, even before they came out, I was able to pick these up, sell them on StockX, sell them on GOAT the same day when prices are still high, before the Nike store ships or before any of these online stores ship. I'm able to get these out the door and get top dollar retail. That's what it's all about. For example, like I was saying with these Benji, if I had ordered these and they came in online when they first dropped, and I had to wait 2 weeks for them to show up, whatever it may be, retail's gonna, dumpers are gonna dump. But if you can get them on day one before dumpers can dump, you can get those good prices. So that's it, man. Get into your skate shops, get in good with them boys. Use these little lunch money ones to get in good, to get your StockX account good, make that little bit of money. And then when it comes time for the big drops, for the Travis Scotts, for the Ray Guns, when you show up in line, the dude's going to recognize you. They're going to say what's up. You're going to shake hands. You're going to be cool. You're going to be in. You might be able to leave your chair there for an extra 20 minutes without getting kicked out of line. Whatever it may be, that's it. So again, welcome to 2020. February's coming up in like 10 days, so it's going to be a huge month. We're going to have lots of videos, lots of cook videos coming out, so stay tuned to those. And definitely thank you guys for tuning in. If there's anything you guys want to see, any questions, comments, anything like that, again, leave them below in the section. Stay tuned to the YouTube as well as our Twitter account and Discord group, and we'll see you guys out there, man. Happy hunting, happy cooking, guys. Be good.